is the moment I've waited for. The ring is already made, as you can see. I've created the base of it, and now the wire is going to take shape into something amazing that is coming up from my own intuition, no planning. I see what the wire wants me to make, and this is what I make. So wish me success. I think I'm going to add another piece of wire to this. This is where I'm going to add another wire. I'm going to show you how I create a wire that has two balls at the end so that I can add it to the ring that I have here. I have the wire. I'm kind of feeling where it's going to go. I want a longer end to be going along this side, and then another side that's going to turn. So I'm just going to do this twist here and see how it works for me. Yes, I like it on this side. I don't know if you can see it. And then the other side, of course I have to solder it soon, which is also a little bit of a challenge. And this side is going to be twisted this way, very carefully, not to deform the wire. Just working with the fingers at this point. I'm going to continue playing with it until I'm satisfied with the form. Then I'm going to solder it, and you're going to see the result. Every time I solder, I have this fear, but at the same time, I really, really love soldering. It's so satisfying. I don't know, maybe I have some pyromaniac tendencies or something, but I really love it. It's so satisfying, it's so great.